If you want a muscular back, do this. I can explain step by step. Step 1. Pull-ups. Start your workout with pull-ups. They help build a wider V-shaped back. Do 3 to 4 sets till failure and control your body on every rep. Step 2. Barbell rows. This exercise adds thickness to your back. Keep your back straight and pull the weight toward your lower chest. Do 8 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Step 3. Lat pull-downs. Perfect for targeting your lats. Don't use momentum. Pull slowly and squeeze your back muscles. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Step 4. Deadlifts. One of the best exercises for overall back strength and muscle mass. Lift heavy but maintain proper form to avoid injury. Do 4 to 6 heavy reps for 3 sets. Step 5. Face pulls. This helps improve upper back detail and posture. Keep the rope near your face and squeeze your rear delts. 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. Step 6. Eat enough protein. Without proper nutrition, muscles won't grow. Try to include protein in every meal. Step 7. Recovery sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours and give your muscles time to recover. Because muscle growth happens outside the gym too. Stay consistent, train hard, and in a few months, your back will start looking wider, thicker, and stronger. And don't forget to subscribe.